Good afternoon, everyone. This is Lynn from Paper Peas. First and foremost, thank you so much for taking the time to tune into my channel. I really do appreciate it. What I have before me, these are some pictures, some prints of one of the Masterboards that I created some time ago. And so I just homed in on the Masterboard itself and just pulled out a few elements of this Masterboard that I want to work with and just printed it. What I am going to attempt to work on today are maybe some journal cards. What I've done is I have several journal cards that I cut down from some manila folders that I have. And I need to work on several. So I just said, you know what, let me try to go ahead and do that. And if it works out fine, you'll see a video. And if it doesn't, you won't. All right. All of these are pieces that I have cut down from manila folders in my own stash so that I could use them as backing. I have them in multiple sizes and shapes. And so I'm just going to go ahead and, I need to pull my stamper out too. Here you see me taking the journal cards that I cut down and just adhering them to the Masterboard print. Once it is dry, that's when I'm going to go ahead and just cut them down. And after cutting them down, then I'm going to go ahead and round the edges of them as well. I've gone back through my stash and I found these stickers that I probably had maybe a year or so, and I figured they would probably work well on these journal cards. Now, one of the things I'm not a fan of is that they appear to not be matte. They're shiny, but still, based upon the length, I'm going to go ahead and use them on these cards. Hey everyone, these are the finalized journal cards that I prepared using the Masterboard that I created some time ago. I'm going to leave a link to that video in the description in the event that you want to take a look at it. Although I'm not a fan of the glossiness of these particular stickers, based upon their symmetry, I felt like these worked best with these particular journal cards. And overall, I'm very pleased with this project. Everyone, thank you so much for taking the time to tune into Paper Peas this evening. If you would subscribe, like, share, comment, come back and see me again. I'd greatly appreciate it. And most importantly, be good to yourself. Take care.